Hi, my name is Pablo Mesa. I'm the Vice President of Operations at TeMeDa. I'm here today to give you an overview of the features in Maintenance 2.0. The best way to teach you about tasks, plans, and schedules is to take you through the life of a task, show you how it's added to a plan, then show you how that plan's added to a schedule. We will start by creating a new task. The system has numerous pre-made tasks, so before you decide to create a new one, make sure one doesn't already exist. On the Tasks page, click on the Add New button. We will name this task Windshield Wipers, and we will make it a Replace task. Click Save. Now you will see our new task in the task list. Let's put this task into a plan. On the Plan page, you can see all existing plans. Like the Task page, we'll start by clicking on the Add Plan button. We will make a new one called General Maintenance. We want this to be an ongoing plan, so we'll leave it set on reoccurring. Plans can be configured to use fixed intervals or variable intervals. Fixed intervals will force the asset to be due on the exact interval. Variable intervals will set the next service due at the current odometer, time, hours, plus the planned interval. This is a flexible plan, so we'll leave it at variable intervals. You can set your plan to occur every X miles, every X days, or every X engine hours. Let's make this one occur every 3,000 engine hours. The Do/Overdue slider lets you define how early before the scheduled interval you start receiving notifications about the upcoming scheduled maintenance. Now that the intervals are set up, let's click on the Tasks tab. On this page, you can associate any tasks with a plan. For this example, we'll add the one we made earlier for replacing windshield wipers, and we'll throw in, let's say, check all fluids and check tire pressure. Now that the tasks are added, click on the Assets tab. We strongly suggest using asset groups when creating a plan. If you add assets one by one, after a few months you may add or remove an asset from your fleet. If you added assets one by one in your plans, you'll need to remember to manually go into each of your maintenance plans to add or remove your assets from here as well. If you use groups, however, whenever you adjust which assets are within a group, you will automatically be adjusting which assets are part of a maintenance plan as well. For this example, we're just going to use one asset, however. Let's use Bobcat Test. Once you're finished adding your assets to your plan, click Save. If you don't need more robust maintenance schedules, you can maintain your fleet using only maintenance plans. If you need a more robust maintenance schedule, we can create one. Click on the Schedule menu item on the top of the screen to go to the Schedule page. Click Add a Schedule to begin. Let's name this schedule Example Schedule. We are not using fixed intervals, so let's uncheck that option. For this schedule, we're going to combine a factory recommended service plan that occurs every 5,000 miles with the general maintenance plan we created that features the windshield wiper task. These two plans occur every 5,000 miles and every 3,000 engine hours. You can see the schedule on the right. Save the schedule. You can see its information on the schedule card. Let's click on the Status menu item on the top of the screen. On this page, you'll see a donut graph showing the status of your fleet. You'll see a table displaying all of your assets. If we sort by plan schedule name, you can now see the Bobcat Test asset reporting its current maintenance status. You can log maintenance on the asset from a few places. You can log maintenance on the asset dashboard in the app, on the Logs page of the Maintenance tab, or from here on the Status page. Let's click on the Log Maintenance button for the Bobcat Test. There are a few fields you can use to keep track of your maintenance history. If you have invoice numbers or work order numbers to associate with maintenance, it can be entered here. You can also keep track of how much parts and labor costed for maintenance. When you're done, click Save and the maintenance log will be added to the maintenance log page. The Maintenance 2.0 module is a great tool for the TeMeDa app. As you use it, you'll discover many features to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.